what I do is communication of emotions. That's what music is. It communicates emotions.
I say that's like 2.5 years ago, I discovered that I did have a voice. Some people get their kicks stomping on a dream.
And all the roads we have to walk the winding. At first time it was kind of strange because people kind of looked at me like a homeless person or something.
I was just out of college and I was working in a bank and I was making minimum wage. I was in Old Town in Alexandria walking around. I saw two guys playing Bach double violin concerto and they had a case full of money and I thought, well, dang, I can do that. So the next night I was right across the street there, just violin, just playing tunes, and I was hooked. A lot of comments with that song. One time I got done and there was a guy sitting next to me and he just finally just yelled out, he said, "Will somebody please somewhere kiss somebody?" Another time this older man came up and he just kind of growled at me. He says, "I don't know what you got, but my wife, she likes you."
Has such teeth dear, and it keeps them pearly white. Just a jackknife as old Maggie Heath, babe, and it keeps it out of sight. In spite of how I may look, you know, sadly to say, people still look at me as a street person. Down by the river, don't you know, with cement bags. Some days, on a scale of things, it's really low emotionally, and when people don't respond to my singing, it just keeps going down. You know, and sometimes I've had to leave, just leave within about a half hour, you know, because I just couldn't bring it up. Oh, the line forms on the right, babe. Now that Mac is back in town, I say now Jenny Dabba.
Thank you. Come up to meet you, tell you I'm sorry. Don't know how lovely you are. I'm from South Korea and I've been doing this in the States for 2 years. And I used to do it in my country too. So I figured it will work here too. The greatest moment was there were a lot of people today, and people just stayed here, like really a lot of people stayed here and watched me and clapped together. That was really great. a dream, show you now what might have been, before the changing crowd fade away. And I'll be by your side when they come to say goodbye. We will live to fight and